up guys, it's Eric from B-Side. Today we have here a 992 Porsche 911 and we are going to be installing another ShiftPower throttle response controller. It's all plug and play, and for these newer Porsches the throttle is controlled digitally, so it's going to be a little bit different in terms of our product, but if you look at it from the outside it looks exactly the same, price is exactly the same as well. And just like any other vehicles, the installation on this car is very simple. I'll walk you guys through it, so let's stop talking, let's get in the car and get started. All right guys, so here's the car, here's the kit. Let's go ahead and get this installed in the vehicle, but before you do so, if you just came from a drive, make sure to lock your car and unlock it to ensure that your car is asleep, or you can also keep the driver's side door open and move the key where it cannot be detected by your car and wait about 15 minutes just to be safe, and make sure that your car is asleep and you don't have any circuits or signals going through the pedal, because you don't want that while you're installing the throttle response controller. So once you got that done, let's go inside the vehicle. Okay, so once you are in here, you can move your seat all the way back so that gives you enough room to work, and you'll find that there's a acceleration pedal all the way on the right side, obviously. And if you pull the mat back here, you'll notice that there is one Allen bolt here, so we're going to remove that. It's to be specific, it's a 4mm size. So unscrew it, we're going to remove it, we're going to pull this out, and we are going to disconnect the factory plug, the acceleration plug. So let me go ahead and do that now. All right, so that is removed. And then go ahead and pull this out. So pull the whole assembly up to release it from the clip. Okay. And go ahead and disconnect it and then bring it out here. And you'll notice that you'll find this release tab. Just go ahead and push down really hard on it and then pull straight out like so. Okay. All right. And let's go and get our ShiftPower throttle response controller. Let me show you what's inside. So you'll find our plug and play harness, male and female. There's our module here, it's all pre-connected. And you'll find our button. So let's connect our button to the rest of the kit. Okay, like that. And all we're gonna do is connect this to our pedal and connect this to the original connector that was on the pedal that's coming from the car. All right. So let's connect it to our pedal first here, just so you can see, like this, very easy. Just go here and click it into place. And this other side will just connect to the original connector. All right, make sure you hear that click. Okay, once that is connected, you just have to reverse order everything we just did and make sure to organize the wires so that it's not in the way of your driving. All right, so that is on, and we are going to tuck all this module back here, or you can also put it back here, but wherever you decide to mount it, you just want to make sure that it stays there and it won't come back out to affect your driving. All right guys, so we went ahead and installed it. Let me show you how we routed the cables. So that's the acceleration pedal, okay? And right behind it, we zip tied the throttle controller right there. We zip tied it to the factory cables and wires. It's not going anywhere. It's there pretty tight. We did have to connect 2 zip ties to make enough length to be able to mount it like that. You can also mount it behind this carpet here if you wish, or you can put it back there. It's just all up to your personal preference. Just make sure it doesn't get in the way of your acceleration pedal, that it won't fall out over here. So make sure it's there pretty good. And we routed the cable for the button all the way through to here and then right there. Customer wanted it right here so that you can easily tuck it under here when you don't want to see the button. Okay, now let's turn on the engine and make sure everything is working. All right guys, well that does it. That shows how easy it is to install our throttle response controller, and you guys will feel the difference immediately. And as you can see, the installation process is very, very easy. Yes, I did remove the pedal in our video, but if you wanna go back there, just reach and just unplug it, you definitely can do so. But we wanted to remove the pedal just so you see how it looks from the inside. But there is a big opening back there so you could push firmly and just pull up. All right, in addition, if you want to see in detail how the amp functions, we have other videos on that. Go ahead and click in the description. We'll have that link for you. In addition, if you want some user feedback of how well our throttle response controller works, we also have that video separately for you as well. Go ahead and check out the description. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, help our channel by subscribing and liking our video, and look forward to more of these cool videos in the future. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.